Hold up.
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you decide to watch this video. And I do apologize if you hear a lot of wind noise right now. It is a bit windy outside. It is a warm evening right now in my neighborhood where I'm living right now. And I'm making this video here because I am saying goodbye to a very long-term relationship here with a vehicle of mine. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the van. I know it's dark and I got light room right there. Oh, okay, maybe that will help. This is the van that made my video, is it a train or is it a van, famous. This is the train horn van, yes. After almost 22 years with this van, I finally decided it's time for me to part with it. I bought it when I was 22 years old, and here I am. I'm 43 now, and there's a lot of memories with this van, and I would like to share a little bit of it. I bought the van used from a Ford dealer up in Long Island, New York, and I needed to replace another van that I had, and I needed something with cargo capabilities. This van had it, so I'm going to back out right there. This van had it, so it's done me right for a long time. It's treated me well, but as all machines, you know, if you use them, eventually they're going to break down. And vehicles are no different. In this situation, I put a lot of money into this vehicle to repair stuff that needed to be repaired on it. And I made a statement that I was no longer going to put any more money into this vehicle, because it was getting to the point where every time the vehicle broke down, it was expensive. So 3 months later, after that last repair, the vehicle gave me a problem again, and I said to myself, that's it. It's time for me to, it's time for me to finally put this van to sleep. When I was living in Clearwater, I had it parked next to my unit in the condo complex, and then when I moved here to Dunedin, I brought the vehicle over here and had it put in my on my backyard, because the vehicle wasn't running and I didn't have any room in my driveway to put it, so it sat there for a little bit of time. Today, I finally said it's time for me to strip the vehicle, and if you noticed, there are no air horns on it anymore. I took the K5 LA off of it, and I am going to be putting it on another vehicle that I do drive today. It's on a daily basis. It is also a van. So you're going to want to stay tuned to my channel, because what's going to happen is I'm gonna make a new van. I'm gonna design a whole new van and whatnot, and it's gonna have the train horn, but it's not gonna be on the van, on the roof of the van like it was on this one right here. It is going to be concealed. The air horn's going to be concealed, so you won't be able to see it. And the reason being is because I really don't want to affect the aerodynamics of the vehicle. That's number one. Number two, I want to be able to bring the vehicle into a car wash when it comes time to get it clean. So, and with the air horns on the roof of the vehicle, it could cause potential damage to the vehicle and to the air horns if I bring it through a car wash. So today, being the fact that it is now March 5th, 2020, I bid the old girl goodbye. Like I said, she treated me well. I put over 250,000 miles on this van myself. I did most of the custom work myself, including the stripe, which fortunately is really breaking up, and that has a lot to do with the weathering and everything like that. I did the stripe myself. I designed the stripe. I did the air horn installation myself, and there was also mood light inside the vehicle when I drove at night time and turned the headlights on. There was lights underneath the dashboard, which I did that in my new van I currently drive right now, which you will see in future videos. So I bid the girl goodbye, and the new owner is going to go ahead and take it. The new owner recognized the van when they came over and they paid me for the vehicle. They knew the van. They've seen the van on YouTube and whatnot, and it was like, wow, yeah, I've seen lots of videos with this, and it was. I mean, the van became a celebrity. It was. If you saw this van, you know I was in the area. Especially if you know me from the club scene, you know me as a disc jockey in the club scene and whatnot. You saw the van in the parking lot, you knew I was at the club. So the new owner just contacted me, and we'll be here very shortly to go ahead and pick up this van. I am going to document that. So. Freight train 2. It was a hell of a ride. Thank you. It's time for me to say goodbye to her and whatnot. So I'm gonna put the video on pause here, and we'll continue on as soon as the new owner here with his pickup truck, tow truck, is here. Alrighty. So stand by.
Links for you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Uh,
Go back up in that driveway down there.
yeah, there's no cul-de-sac at the end of the street.
Found that out earlier.
Yeah. Goodbye.